Hi beauties, welcome back. What is going on? Yes, I have my glasses on. I explain it at the end. It's been a day. Makeup was not my friend today, but we are going to be doing this look. I call it Purple Goblin. So we're going to do a little fun Halloween tutorial with you guys. And also I'm just going to tell you like the palettes I'm going to be working with that I chose for this month and next month. There's quite a few. I'm working with a lot of Morphe palettes, Making Bank. I show them while I'm using them. The 39S. Also Boss Mood. We are playing with, Boss Mood. We are playing this month and next month with KKW palette. The collaboration with Mario, their second palette together. I have that one that I'm going to be using because I haven't dipped into it yet and I'm excited. I also took out the So Jaded palette by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop, and then we are also going to be using the NYX palette that I showed you in my last tutorial. So yeah, I pretty much, those are the palettes I'm going to be working with for the next 2 months, you guys. I pretty much go through what I use today at the end, show you everything so you know what I'm using, brushes and all, and everything else like liner, lipstick. Basically it's just going to be like dark colors, terracottas, burnt oranges, all my favorite things for this time of year. I'm excited, you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe. I would appreciate it. I hope you guys are doing well, and let's get into it. All right, my beauties, please bear with me. So I had an incident with my contact lenses and they ripped on me. They were my last pair, so I'm gonna have to work without them, and I'm gonna have to work with my glasses and try not to just put too much glare in it. So today I'm gonna be working with like 3 different palettes. They're all by Morphe. The first one I'm gonna go into is the Making Bank one. It's the 18B. Looks like this right here. I'm just gonna go in with Check Please, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna put that all over my lid right after I put on my Urban Decay primer. I'm just gonna put this all over the lid. I'm not happy about my contact lenses, but it is what it is. I don't want it to like hinder me from not filming just because I have contact lens issues. It happens all the time. It's not a big deal. I filmed with my glasses on before, so we are just gonna move along. I am using e.l.f. tape today because I want this look to be like really precise. I'm not using orange today. I'm not in the mood for orange. I just had this vision with using purple and green and some black and some shimmer. I really did want to put like jewels around my eyes, but I don't have any like face jewels that I can mess with. I might have to go to Michael's to pick something up. I know they have it on Amazon, but that's gonna take too long. Wanted to just do kind of like a little Purple Goblin type of look, you know, a little bit extravagant for my channel, but never too extravagant for Halloween. I do want to do a couple of tutorials for Halloween for you guys, just so we can have fun, use, you know, color bold stuff and things like that. I am working with the Wet n Wild P20. This is one of my favorite brushes. Then I'm going to use the mirror in this one. I'm just hoping, I'm working with a small table here, so I am hoping that I don't drop anything. I'm going to use this mirror, but I'm going to go into, let me show you real quick. And these are the palettes that I chose for this month that I'm going to be using, and next month as well. I'm going to go into Such a Gem, which is the 39S. I am blind as a witch, y'all. Just bear with me. This beauty is what it looks like. It's the purple and pink one. So pretty. I zoomed you guys in a lot. I'm going to go in with the color Make It Rain, which is this gorgeous purple right here. I cannot, you know what I noticed, you guys? I use the word oh my gosh way too much. Y'all need to be like, Liza, you need to bring it back a second with that. But I noticed that like editing my last video, I was like, cut that one out, cut that one. There was just way too many in there. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna go in with that color purple. It's just so gorgeous. It's so pigmented. This palette, you guys, it is just beyond. If you love pinks and purples, I know some of you guys might not be Morphe fans. I'm huge. I guess today is like a Morphe day because that is all I'm working with. I'm going in with the Morphe M433 brush. I did clean my brushes, but you know, with these highly pigmented shadows, they're gonna get dirty again, so that's just how it goes. So I'm gonna start with this purple and build it up in the corner here. And I'm gonna take this all the way in. I'm still kind of working because I want to do like purple all over the eye, like kind of just blow it out a little bit, not too much. And I want to get some black in there just to give it a little bit more of depth just in the corner. I'm gonna try to be precise as I would like to be with this brush. On my lid, I might do some shimmer purple. It's still up in the air. I had quite a few different looks in my head today with purple and green. So we're just gonna see what comes out. I'm definitely not using orange because I feel like everyone uses orange in their Halloween looks for the most part, and I'm just not about it today. I really want to do purple. So I'm just gonna build up the pigments a lot with this one. And I like that, you know how I have that issue on my lash line, like right underneath where I usually put my liner on. I love that this color is literally it's gravitating onto it. So I've got this gorgeous purple everywhere. This purple is giving me life. I played with it the other day, and the amount of just pigment and the way I can manipulate it, like the formula in this palette, you guys, is just, oh my gosh, beyond. I know with, you know, with some Morphe palettes is kind of a hit and miss. I really haven't had any issues with any of the Morphe palettes that I've had that I can think about. I think just one, but it was like a 9-pan palette that I'm really not enjoying at the moment. I might give it away. I hope I'm staying in focus. I guess I will find that out in the editing process, but I just want to make sure you guys see what I'm doing and nothing is like being focused in the back. This is coming out nice the way I want it to. I just want to bring it out up and just blow it out a little bit, not too much. And just, this one is really gonna be about like all the blending. So I'm gonna now work with my NYX favorite brush number 16, and then I'm gonna go into the 35M by Morphe, which is the Boss Mood, and I'm gonna be working with Black Magic. This is what the palette looks like, and I'm gonna be working with this black down here. I'm not gonna go in too heavy with it. I really just want to give it a little bit more darkness and depth in the corner, blend it in a little bit. I'm really gonna go in with small hand. I don't want too much because I don't want to take away from the purple. This purple, it is just gorgeous. So I'm just gonna blend that in the outer V of my eye and just go into like a circular motion, kind of blow it out a little bit with the rest of the product on the brush. I like to keep it simple on my channel for you guys because I feel like sometimes it can get too much. It is really up to you how you want to play with makeup. I really do like to do things where you guys can follow me and do your makeup with me and not just like, you know, cut out this whole thing with like concealer and do this and then do another wing with a different color. And like, don't get me wrong, the people that do all these things on their eyes out there, I follow some of them just so I can learn techniques and how to pack pigment and eyeshadow on my eyes correctly and how to learn how to manipulate and all of that. But it is just way too much. I'm finding out it's like not my style, and that's okay. Everyone has their own style, and this is, you know, I like keeping my artistry just like this in a way to where you guys can enjoy makeup with me. You guys can do it with me and it's still fairly simple and not like too much all over the place. So that's pretty much how I want to look. Don't mind the creasing. The crease, I always have this crease, is because of my skin on the inner corner, you guys. I always have that issue with anything that I use. So I'm just gonna like blend it out later and fix it. So we got it a little richer and darker. I kind of want to take this olive green and just play with it on top of it and blow it out a little bit. It is called Nude Tude. Okay, this one right here. So that's the one I'm gonna play with. And then I'm gonna just take it up on top right around here and kind of make it a little darker and a little bit mossy. I am trying to get it in a way where, oh yeah, I'm liking how that's coming out. To where I could just blend it all in together. I kind of have to like work with my right eye first. I am a righty, but this eye tends to like droop down more than this side, and this side just takes like, when I do this eye, is so much quicker than doing this eye. So like, let me get this eye first so then I could just copy it over on the next one. Okay, I like how that is coming out. I like that I used that darker corner there. Okay, so we're gonna stop there. I told you it was gonna be very simple and easy, but yet fun. Halloween, lots of color. I'm gonna go back in with the purple, make it rain, just to get some of that vibrant purple back in there and make sure that it's all in there. Okay, it is coming out the way I think it's, in my eye, it's coming out better than what I expected. So that is a great thing. So all right, you guys, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna mimic all of this on the other eye, and I'm gonna come back, do the inner corner and then the lower lash with you guys. All right, you guys, so I am back. Bear with me. Have to film with my glasses on. I don't see anything without them, and now that I don't have contact lenses, it's gonna be a process. First off, I had a lot of mishaps. I feel like evilness was trying me today and did not want me to play with makeup on, but I'm gonna take off my glasses so you could just see. This is pretty much what I wanted it to look like. As you can see, my eye is watering. It does not stop. I also had a mishap in the middle here where I guess it's just like my eye is just so irritated right now from using the tape. It kind of just like triggered it. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. And then on the inner corner here, the eyeshadow didn't want to stay because my eye kept watering and taking off and taking the eyeshadow off. Listen, I went through it trying to do this. I did finish my eye look, but this is basically what I wanted to do, and I really like it. I will go through what I finished doing my face with. So I'm gonna put my glasses back on because I can't see crap. So I went in with my Cover FX blurring primer. I used my Smashbox foundation in color 3.2. This month and next month I'm gonna be using the Born This Way Too Faced concealer. I really like this concealer. I go back and forth between this and ColourPop. This is a natural beige. I used my Beauty Bakery setting powder, my Morphe spray, my Alamar Cosmetics blush palette. I used Seclusion and Isla together, and that's what I put on my cheeks. I used my NYX eyebrow. I used the color Wine Me as for a lip liner with by Morphe. Then I used literally my favorite lipstick formula by NYX is the suede one with the little hearts on it. I love this formula. I have a lot of these. And in the color Vintage, I finished off with the Essence Lash Princess mascara. So the only thing I didn't do was my highlighter and my inner corner. So I'm gonna do that with you guys real quick because I just ended up finishing my eyes off camera just because I was having so many issues with it. So I was like, you know what, let me just finish and let me just do my highlighter with you guys. So I'm gonna go into making Bank 18B, and for inner corner, and I'm gonna use it as highlighter as well. I'm gonna use Bazillionaire, which is this like gorgeous yellowy kind of mossy green shimmer color right here. It's really, really beautiful and very different. And I'm gonna take my Morphe little highlighter brush that I always use for my inner corner, and I'm just gonna stamp that in. Oh my gosh, you see just how gorgeous it is. It's like, kind of like a mossy, and it shifts to like a yellow and a brownish. Like, this is just such a unique color. I love it. I'm gonna bring in more of that and kind of just bring it down. I'm gonna do the other side really quick. Y'all, you don't know what I went through off camera. Let me shift myself to the side. Mishap after mishap after mishap. Sometimes it be like that too. The makeup just does not want to be your friend. She does not want to be my friend today at all. And I'm just like, come on, I love you so much. Why are you trying to play me like that? There's that. And then I'm going to take my Juvia's Place highlighter and use that same color, Bazillionaire, and I'm going to use it as a highlighter on my cheek as well. Because we are just going to be having fun with some makeup today. You know, my little purple goblin look. I like this. I'm going to do it on the other side. But even with all the mishaps, you guys, I really fell in love with Make It Rain. This purple color, this purple eyeshadow, I'm like head over heels for it. And I have a feeling that that color I'm going to use a lot, and I'm actually going to hit pan on that color. I'm going to take this down. I really did wish that I had jewels. Listen, it's Halloween. We are playing with makeup. Think outside the box. Have fun with it. I freaking love it. All right, you guys. So that is it. This is the finished look. This is what I wanted to do without all the mishaps. It has just been wow. So I really like the highlighter. Yes, yes, yes. I'm feeling it. All right, you guys. I hope you had some Halloween fun with me with makeup. And besides like all my mishaps and my contacts breaking, it's like, wow. You guys, it's been a day. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, you guys, I love you. Thank you so much for joining me today and having some fun with makeup on. And there goes my eye again. I love you guys. Please be safe, be kind, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.